Magandang umaga, magandang tanghali o anumang oras yung napanood ang video ito. Welcome sa lahat ng mga matuto lovers. Salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik sa ating YouTube channel, Matuto Dapat, sapagkat ang kaalaman ay isang mahalagang kayamanan. Sa oras po na ito ay ating pag-aralan is the continuation about the circle. So, equation of a circle. So again, we have our definition. A circle is a shape made up of all points in a plane that are spaced apart from the center by a specific amount. The radius is the length of the circle from any point of to the center. The diameter is the length of a line segment that passes through the center of a circle and connects two locations. A disc is a section of the plane that is bounded by a circle. So, sa loob ng bilog, tawag natin ay disc, no? The standard form for the equation of the circle with each k as the center and the r is the radius is given by. So nakita po natin, we have a circle in the left side of the presentation. Ang center ng circle ay located at h, k. So ang h natin is the value in the x-axis and k is in the y-axis. Okay? And to any point of the circle, so mayroon tayong radius that connect to that point P, no? So that's x, y. So ito po yung ating equation, standard form, no? Yung standard form po natin ay x minus h quantity square plus y minus k quantity square equals r squared. So yung r natin is yung radius. So yung h is the difference ng x minus h, yun yung difference ng dalawang tawag natin between the value of x, no? So kinuha po natin yan sa triangle formula, ba yung Pythagorean theorem. So yung r squared, yun yung ating, kumbaga, yun yung ating hypotenuse, no? Yung x, so yun yung ating adjacent, o yun yung base natin, tapos yung y minus k, yun po yung ating height. Okay? So kapag i-simplify natin yung x minus h squared plus y minus k squared, ang kalabasan po niyan ay x squared plus y squared plus ax plus by plus c equals 0. So yun po yung magiging pinaka-standard form natin. Okay? Kapag ang center is at origin, so 0, 0, so wala yung h at saka yung k, no? Kasi 0, 0 naman yan. So x squared plus y squared equals r squared. Right? So example 1. Suppose a point 6, 5 is the center of the circle and the radius is equal to 2 cm as shown in the graph on the right side. Then the equation of the circle will be, so ang given natin, ang radius ay 2 cm. Ang center ng circle ay located at 6, 5. Ang h natin ay 6, ang k natin ay 5. So using our formula, x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared equals r squared. So substitute natin yung value ng h at saka yung k. So x minus 6 quantity square plus y minus 5 quantity square equals 2 square. Okay? So the product of the binomial is a perfect square trinomial, no? So alam natin in our algebra, okay, o dun sa basic math natin, no, kapag binomial, so ang product niya ay perfect square trinomial kapag we are squaring the binomial. Okay, so x squared minus 12x plus 36. So yung x, so x times x ay 12 x squared, tapos yung negative 6 times negative 6 ay positive 36. So nakuha natin ang negative 12x, yung gitna. Kapag i-multiply natin yung x minus x times negative 6, ay ang sagot niyan ay x negative 6x. Times 2 natin yung sa gitna, so times 2 kaya negative 12x. Ganon din dito sa y minus 5. So, y minus 5 square. So, again, we are the product or the square of the binomial. So, y times y is y squared. Negative 5 times negative 5 ay positive 25. So, yung negative 10y sa gitna, so multiply natin yung y times negative 5 ay negative 5y. Times 2 natin, so that is negative 10y. So, ginawa yung 2, yun po yung pinaka-standard natin, ha. So, kapag nagkuha po tayo ng product ng squaring ng binomial. Okay? So, equals 2 square is 4. So, simplify natin. So, x squared plus y squared. Ayan. So, inayos lang natin. Okay, minus 12x. Wala naman kaparehas sa isa di. Minus 12, copy lang. Minus 10y. Okay? Plus, 36 plus 25 ay 61. Equals 4. So, si 4 transpose na dun sa kabila. So, naging negative 4. Okay, so 61 minus 4, that is positive 57. So, ang ating magiging pinaka-equation ay x squared plus y squared minus 12x minus 10y plus 57 equals 0. So, yun po yung ating equation of the circle. Okay, number 2. If the center of the circle is located at negative 10, negative 4, and the radius is equal to 8 cm as shown in our illustration nandito sa kanan na bahagi. Then the equation of the circle will be, ang radius ay 8 cm, ang center ay negative 10, negative 4. So, ang h natin ay negative 10, ang k natin ay negative 4. So, again, we are using our formula, and then we have to substitute this value. So, x minus h, ang h natin ay negative 4, so naging negative 10. So kaya nagiging positive 10 kasi plus 10 kasi negative minus tapos negative h po yung negative yung ating h value. So negative positive kaya x plus 10 square plus y plus 4 square equals h square. Yan. So expound natin. Kapag i-expand po natin, so that is x squared plus 20x plus 100. So, x times x ay x squared. 10 times 10 ay 100. And then, yung ating gitna, so 10 times x ay 10x times 2, kaya 20x. So, 4 positive, no? So, positive lang lahat. So, plus y squared plus 8y plus 16 equals 64. So, kung combine na natin, x squared plus y squared plus 20x, dahil wala namang ibang kapareha, so kopya lang, 20x plus 8y plus 100 plus 16 ay 116 equals 64. So, 116 minus 64, sagot natin dyan ay positive 52. So, x squared plus y squared plus 20x plus 8y plus 52, yun po ang equal 0. Yun po ang ating equation of the circle. Alright? Alright. Example number 3. Determine the coordinates of the center and the radius of the circle if the equation is x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equals 0. So, ang given natin ay equation. At ang hinahanap natin ay coordinates of the center and the radius of the circle. So, that's our given. Ang gagawin natin, i-groupings natin yung ating equation. Lahat ng x magkasama, lahat ng y magkasama. So, you have x squared minus 4x and plus y squared minus 6y. Tapos, yung constant, ilipat natin sa right side of the equation. So, yung negative 12, ilipat natin sa kabila, kaya nagiging positive 12. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin, para makumplito yung bawat grupo into a perfect square trinomial. So, dito sa x squared minus 4x, gagawin natin yung negative 4 i-divide natin sa 2, no? So, negative 4 divided by 2, that is equals to negative 2. Tapos, square natin, so negative 2 times negative 2 ay positive 4. Tapos, sa y naman, sa y squared minus 6y, gagawin natin yung negative 6, kasi yun ang maging middle term natin negative 6y. So, yung negative 6 divided by 2, so negative 3, times negative 3 para makuha natin yung square niya, and that is positive 9. So, yung 4, yun ang idagdag natin sa x squared minus 4x. Tapos yung 9, may idagdag natin sa y squared minus 6y. Okay? So, ganoon po ang mangyari. So, x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus y squared minus 6y plus 9. Okay? And since nagdagdag ka ng 4 and 9 sa left side of the equation, magdagdag ka rin ng 4 at saka 9 sa right side para balance lang. So, you have now x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus y squared minus 6y plus 9 equals 25. Tapos, i-factor natin. So, yung x squared minus 4x plus 4, ang factor niya ay x minus 2 quantity square. So, x minus 2 times x minus 2. Ganun po yan. Plus, yung factor ng y squared minus 6y plus 9 ay y minus 3. So, y minus 3 times y minus 3 is equal to y minus 3 square. Yung factor ng 25 ay 5. So, that is 5 square o 5 times 5 is 25. So, ang answer natin, based on the given, yung ating h ay 2. No? Base doon sa ating format ng ating standard form equation. Ang k natin ay positive 3. At ang ating r ay positive 5. So, as shown in the graph, so the graph natin, example, so that is the point 2, 3. No? And yung radius natin ay 5. Yan. So, yun po yung ating yung sagot kanina. Example 4, determine the coordinates of the center and the radius of the circle if the equation is x squared plus y squared plus 8x minus 10y plus 32 equals 0. So, ang given natin ay equation. So, ang gagawin natin, ganun din gagawin natin, i-groupings natin, lahat ng x magkakasama, lahat ng y magkakasama. Tapos, yung constant na positive 32, ilipat natin sa right side of the equation. So, naging negative 32. Okay? Tapos, ang gagawin natin para makabuo tayo ng perfect square trinomial, so, yung sa x squared plus 8x, so yung 8, since ang maging middle term ay 8x, so gagawin natin yung 8 divided by 2, ang sagot ay 4. Tapos square natin, so 4 times 4, 16. Yung negative 10 naman sa y squared minus 10y, so negative 10 divided by 2 ay negative 5, times negative 5 ay positive 25. So, x squared plus 8x plus 16 plus y squared minus 10y plus 25 equals negative 32 plus 16 plus 25. So, kasi nagdagdag ka ng 16 at 25 sa left side, magdagdag din tayo ng 16 at 25 sa right side para balance, no? So, you have now x squared plus 8x plus 16 plus y squared minus 10y plus 25 equals 9. So, kapag i-factor out natin yung x squared plus 8x plus 16 ay x plus 4. So, x plus 4 times x plus 4 or x plus 4 square plus y minus 5 square. Okay? So, yun po yung factor ng y squared minus 10y plus 25. Factor ng 9 ay 3. So, 3 times 3 or 3 squared. So, ang ating h ay negative 4. No? Kasi plus po yung nandun sa x plus 4 So, ibig sabihin, ang h natin ay negative 4, ang k natin ay positive 5, tapos ang radius natin ay positive 3. So, parang gano'n, nasa ano po sa third, sa second quadrant, no? So, yan. So, parang gano'n po yung ating output, no? That's example number 4. So, this is your activity to be answered, no? Pag-aralan nyo, sagutan ninyo, no, para ma-enhance yung kaalaman. So, maraming salamat no sa inyong panunood. and pag-aaral. Salamat. Pagpalain kayo ng Panginoon. God bless.